In today's video, how to create an artist profile on Spotify. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to search engine and type Spotify for Artists in the search bar. Look for a link to artist.spotify.com. It should be one of the top results and click on it. Once on Spotify page, navigate to the top right corner and click on Get Access, and you will see options for Artist or Manager and label Team Member. Click on Artist or Manager, log in using our existing Spotify account credentials, and if you don't have an account, you may want to create a new one, specifically for your artist profile. You will see an option to claim an artist profile. Click on Continue if your music is already on Spotify, click on Music, and if you don't have music, click on Music Not Yet Live on Spotify. You will be taken to page explaining how to get your music on Spotify. Work with music distributor, handle music licensing, distributor, and streaming royalties. Spotify provides a list of recommended distributors. Visit their website and follow their steps to upload your music. Sign up with your chosen distributor and upload your music following their guidelines. After uploading your music, return to Spotify page, click on Continue and Next to verify your account. Search for your artist name or paste your Spotify artist URL. Link your Spotify artist account with your music profile. Once linked, you can access and manage your artist profile.